Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to find penny items at Home Depot online. So let's jump right in. First, you need to understand that Home Depot does not officially advertise penny items. These are usually discontinued or clearance products that the store plans to remove. And because of that, employees usually won't point them out, especially in store. So, how do you find them online? Well, the trick is using a third-party deal tracking website called Slick Deals. So you want to head over to slickdeals.net and in the search bar, go ahead and type in Home Depot. Now, once you search for Home Depot, just go ahead and scroll through the listings and look for those penny deals. So let's do that right now. And as you can see, I can already see a penny deal. Now, these are often posted by other shoppers who found hidden markdowns. So, when you click on one of these deals, Slick Deals will redirect you straight to HomeDepot.com, where you can check if the item is still available online or at a nearby store. And please keep in mind, penny items sells fast, so availability isn't guaranteed, but with a little patience and regular checking, you can score some crazy discounts. And basically, that's it. That's how you find penny items at Home Depot online using Slick Deals. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.